over here. My depth perception sucks. Let's see how she does. Her first rescue.
We will lose the weight.
That's what it's designed to do.
Yep.
Where do you want it at? Right here?
Oh, come on, bring it over here to the boat ramp.
No.
We just got that tube on it.
Uh-oh. It's stuck there for some reason.
Yeah, it's probably
the weight.
Well, I don't know if I got enough power to push it, but let's give it a shot. Go full throttle with it.
there you go.
There we go. That works. I'll send you my bill.
Okay.
Well, there's my little Zippkits tugster. Built from the Zippkits kit. Didn't use their deck or superstructure, obviously. I did it all out, scratch built all that out of plasticard. Added the bulwarks. Put a tube between the push knees. Push knees were both bonded on and screwed on. And she's already made her first recovery, so like all tugsters, she's real sensitive to ballast. If I go too far up on the throttle, if I go full throttle, she will try to bury the bow. So I need to add a little bit more ballast, I think, aft, not much. And I'm also going to raise up the bulwarks underneath that bar so I can, I'm not sure what I'm talking about. So they'll also stop water from coming over the deck. Other than that, I'm real happy with it. That and a few more details. And she's got Iron Man as a skipper. I got a Kort nozzle on the back. So she turns pretty good. Running 2 6-cell packs. The Zippkits 650 motor do have operable lights. I don't know if you can see them in this light, but I do have lights on it. Of course, now you can't see them. That just got out of the shadows. And I'm running 2 6-cell nickel metal hydrides with a wire harness and running in parallel. So I essentially have 6,000 milliamp on tap. So there we go. So I may have to add some aft ballast. Not much, I don't think. I think that would straighten her out pretty good. And like I said, she's already made her first recovery. So I'm tickled with her.